Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am taking a rest from the garden and enjoying some family time with my kids who are home for holidays. Of course, we are heading to the mall to look for some kitchen items and garden tools. Guys, and you won't believe the amazing discounts we found. Come along and share this city and village lifestyle journey with us. I hope you'll watch this vlog to the end. Enjoy! Hi guys, so yesterday we came back pretty late and I was not able to give you a haul of what we bought at the mall. So here is what we bought, and this one will go in handy with our cooking, with our harvest from the garden. There are some things that I really needed for my kitchen and for my garden. So let me just remove everything that we bought, uh, and then I will show you and also give you the price. It was the shop that we visited had an offer, and that's why we took advantage of the offer that was in place. So these are the first items in our list. So let's unpack the first item. These are just simple mugs. I needed to replace these ones because in my previous video I had shown you how almost all my cups had this dents over here, and you don't feel very nice drinking tea in such a mug. So we had to replace and get others. That they don't. So these are the first items that we bought. Look at them. Are they not pretty? And one mug was going for 100 Kenya shillings. Only 100 shillings for this mug. So the six of them, we parted with 600 Kenyan shillings. Now these ones will be replaced. Second item were these pretty mugs. Are they glasses or are they mugs or jars? I don't know. You can use them whichever way you want. For decor, for your smoothies, for your juices. Guys, just have a look at this. Is this one not pretty? I really love this one. And it's very heavy. Though it's small, but it's so good. You be careful not to break them. The packaging is tough. So I took two different shapes. This and this. Which one is your favorite? I love this. Very pretty. This one also 100 shillings. 100 shillings for this. They had a crazy offer, guys. Crazy offer. Very nice. Next, this one was long overdue. I needed these soup balls here like yesterday. Guys. Ooh, look at this. This is for soup. And in our next video, don't miss it. We're going to use these balls for our delicious soup. A recipe that is coming next. Guys, look. We are six in the family, so we bought exactly six. These are three. So these ones were Let me check the receipts. Soup bowl, ceramic soup bowls. These ones were 150 shillings for one. They had the smaller ones for 100 shillings, but I wanted this, the large ones, the bigger ones. So these ones were 150 shillings for one. Next, I love unpacking. I know most women do. When you bought something, you're really excited to see cut the labels and enjoy. Oh my god. Guys, look at this one. These ones are side plates. Side plates. And these ones are nice. They had bigger ones than this that looked like plates, but I needed the side plates. So these ones also are 100 shillings for one. For one, guys. And it's ceramic. You see the way it's beautiful. This plate is so beautiful. I really love it. They had variety, but we love these ones. So this we also took six side plates. I did not even know that I was like blending the colors. It's later on that I've just realized that I was blending the colors. So you see this soup bowl goes with this side plate like this, and then the cups can also go like this. So you see, we have shades of yellow there and gray. The bowl is gray, and the cup is mustard. This is not yellow, this is mustard. Very nice, guys. So you can just make a calculation, quick one. This one is 100 shillings. This one is 100 shillings. This one is 150. So the total cost of this setup is 350 shillings. Is that not a steal, guys? That's a steal. I really love it. Almost done, but not yet. Ooh. This one, another panga. These ones are for snacking. If we have our nuts, we can just use them. The groundnuts, the cashew nuts, the crisps, the cheddar. Yeah, this one can be used. They're so pretty. Very good quality. Very good quality. Very nice. Six of these for 600 shillings. 100 shillings. Very nice. Another one is here. This one is for our juices and the smoothies. When you want to juice, guys, look at this. Very nice. I love the top. It has rubber here so that it can hold firm. Very nice, guys. Yes, I love it. So this one has 6. Very pretty. Very pretty. 6 glasses. I love this. This one was I can say the most expensive item, but it is not expensive in the real sense. This is 1,000 shillings for the mug and the 6 glasses. 1,000 shillings. I love, guys. I'm so in love with this. Then we really needed a strainer. You saw in our other videos the way we were bit, struggling to sieve our smoothies or the juices that we make. So this one came in handy. This one was around 180 shillings, and this one was 120 shillings. So we got two of these. Then we also needed it's called a potato cut, but I think we can multitask it with other different things. If I want to cut things into this shape, like the cucumber, we can always use this. This one was 70 shillings, I think. I'm not wrong. Then the last one is this. This is for grating the ginger and the garlic. Yes. So guys, basically this is what we bought, and it was so inexpensive. It was not expensive. You can do your calculations and see how much we spent for this, and this one will go in handy in my kitchen and in my garden use. So guys, keep it here and see how these kitchen items are going to improve our lives in the kitchen. Thank you guys for sticking by. Thank you for watching this video up to this very end, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.